Joining us right now in a First on CNBC interview is Squarespace founder and CEO Anthony Casalena. Anthony, it's great to see you. Congratulations on this milestone day. Let's talk about your company, but also let's talk a little bit about this moment in the markets because there's been a lot of volatility. You're seeing the stock market this morning look like it's going to open down. And so I do want to talk about the environment. But in terms of your company, and I should say I have been a customer of Squarespace for many, many years, how should investors think about what Squarespace does in terms of comps versus like a Wix, which also allows people to make websites, versus a Shopify, which really has more of an e-commerce play to it? But sort of speak to the landscape, if you could.
Sure, and it's great to be speaking again. It's a great day for us. We're known, of course, as I believe one of the premier brands in our space that helps our customers get online, brand themselves, create a website, get a domain. We're known as an all-in-one platform. We specialize in design. We're one of the few companies that has invested in design as much as we have, which helps our customers really stand out, tell their story, and sell more. And one of the things I'm most excited about as we make this transition to go public and tell our story for the next half decade and decade is that we've really been invested for many years in commerce. And it started with, of course, physical commerce online. But what we focus on right now is helping our customers transact in many ways. They're selling member areas, they're booking appointments, they're booking reservations, they're creating to-go orders. And so the commerce part of our story and the way that's integrated with our core platform and what we help our customers do is really why we stand apart.
So, Anthony, though, when you look at a whiteboard on a Monday morning and talk about your competition, does that mean that Shopify is at the top of the list? Or where does that put you in terms of thinking about, again, this goes to a valuation issue, a Wix versus a Shopify comp, if you will?
So I'd emphasize that when we go to whiteboards in the morning, we don't start with looking at our competition. We more start with looking at our customers and see what they need and where we see them going. Because our customer base is super high quality and a little bit different than what you would see in a Shopify, where a lot of people are starting with e-commerce. I think that we're somewhere in the middle there. I think, of course, we're known for the content management system, web hosting, domains, and that's really the front door for our customers. But again, as we move forward into this kind of world of what we're calling multimodal commerce, yes, the physical commerce component competes with Shopify, but appointment booking, reservations, to-go ordering, member areas, these compete with a wide variety of companies, many of which are not even public.
Anthony, you are a profitable company, which frankly has been different than a lot of other companies that have gone public recently. Your revenue grew, I believe, year-over-year growth of 24 to 26% in terms of what you're expecting. My question to you is, you look at what happened last year. How much of that was a pull forward, and how anxious are you about what that looks like going forward?
Yeah, so our Q1 revenue growth was around 31%. And when we think about overlapping nearly a year now from when COVID started, we believe that COVID is just an accelerant of trends that we've already seen happening in the market. We don't see people who have, seen that they can do business online, transact in multiple ways online, suddenly find that that's not important to them. So we see more and more momentum in our space, and I think the trends from COVID will be largely sustained.
And given the market environment, there were many ways to go public. I know there was talk about whether a SPAC, you do it via a SPAC, you do it via direct listing. How did you come to this conclusion? I'd also ask, by the way, because I don't know if you saw, Coinbase just did this yesterday. They had a direct listing, of course, but they also now have actually put a convertible note into the market. Now it's about a month afterwards. Is that something you would think about in the future?
Well, we chose a direct listing, and also we're the first New York City headquartered company to pursue a direct listing. Direct listing fit for us because, as you mentioned, Squarespace has been a profitable company for a number of years, and we don't need to raise money in this event. And so our thinking was pursue the direct listing, give people the option to buy if they want to buy, sell if they want to sell. And we don't look at any one day in the market as being that significant. And so, again, what's great about the direct listing is no one's suffering unnecessary dilution today.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.